So we're up here at the top of Mount Wellington at 1,272 metres above sea level, and we're all going to ride down over the next couple of hours and make our way right down to the Hobart waterfront on these bikes. We just want to have some fun. It's going to be awesome.
We're 19K down Mount Wellington. We survived the roughest part of our descent and we're relaxing in the Cascade Brewery Gardens.
Mount Wellington is about 1,200.
So many numbers.
Mount Wellington is about 1,200 meters high, which is about 4,000 feet. And we went a little off-roading. Big smiles and lots of flies in the teeth. Catherine and I have entered a world unlike any other. A bit choppy on the open seas today.
Do is we're going to stay together as a group. We're going to work our way around between the jetties and the yachts, go and check out the Hobart waterfront from a totally different perspective, grab some fish and chips and mosey on back here. That sounds like a plan. It's awesome.
I keep getting caught on video camera eating. Our last vlog, every picture of me is me eating.
Yeah.
It's a bird! It's a plane! No, it's Super Dara!